Hey, hey, yeah. Hey, go through the phase to get where we pray. We champion made, ain't nothing I change. The streets that we paved, they throwing parades. Hey, nobody can hate on the road that I played. When everything's settled, let's see who remains. From dusk till dawn, from night till day. Checking the game, was never afraid. Just call on my name, they fall into place. The land of elite, the home of the brave.
Amazing morning! Gusto ko munang pasalamatan. Unang-una si Lord, syempre si VP Aika, tsaka si GM Ana. Palapakan natin si Miss Martoni Fernandez, no, ang ating Barley Queen.
Know you are an agent of hope being used mightily by Jesus to spread the news of health and prosperity. Kaya mga ka-mentors, don't forget to take your I Am Organic Barley every single day.
Amazing morning from Nueva Vizcaya.
Power natin ay nanggagaling sa Amazing Choco Barley for the night. Ayan!
I was able to hook up with my mentor, Rachel. So she set me up to be a member and explain about the Hope program of IM Worldwide. At that point, my concern is only how is the barley going to help me to cure my liver cirrhosis and my condition right now. I'm standing here, I could tell you, I'm not going to die in 6 months, but I will live longer because of our amazing pure organic barley.
Yeah. See the potential.
Dating mga pangarap, dating mga nakapost lang, dating nagpapapicture lang, dating tinititigan lang. Pero ngayon, sa atin na po.
Like dripping in gold beat, dripping in gold beat, dripping in gold beat, dripping in gold beat, dripping in gold beat.
If you will perform, if you will release your potential, God will be happy for you. Naniniwala ka hindi dahil sa sarili mong kakayahan, dun sa Diyos na nagbigay ng kakayahan na yun sa'yo.
When we step through, that's gold. Anything we touch, it turns gold. Far too much, don't worry about nothing. Far too much, better let that go. Yeah, when we step through, touch road. Anything we touch, it turns gold. Far too much, the MC life, far too much, better let that go. God, what standards? That's the best thing. Hold your standards, that's the best thing. God, what standards? That's the best thing. Hold your standards, that's the best thing.
Siguro may mga struggles financially sa buhay mo right now. Baka kumakatok na si I Am Worldwide.
Okay, listen now.
If it wasn't for the struggles, you wouldn't be as strong as you are today. God is always building you up. Tandaan mo yan.
Flows now not effective.
Sobrang surprise mo ito. Thank you so much. Feeling ko nanalo ko sa Miss Universe. Ano ba?
Nah, we didn't do it like the rest did. Nah. God, what standards? That's the best thing. Hold your standards. That's the best thing. God, what standards? That's the best thing. Hold your standards. That's the best thing.
Ibi-bless ng Diyos lahat ng hahawakan mo at maraming taong mabibless through you. Dahil nandiyan ka.
That's the best thing. Hold your standards. That's the best thing. Hold your standards. That's the best thing. Hold your standards. That's the best thing. Yeah. See the potential. Instant, influential. Maybe controversial. Maybe.
Malapit na ang ating 8th anniversary. Merong 8 na tao ang mananalo ng 800,000 pesos. Lahat ng mag-join sa IAM, may raffle ticket. Lahat ng bumili ng produkto, meron din. So yun lang, maraming salamat. Ingat kayo palagi. Enjoy the night. God bless you more. God bless you all.
Dripping in gold beat.
Strive to be better every day. Be a servant leader. And guys, see you at the top.
Hold your standards, that's the best thing. Hold your standards, that's the best thing. Hold your standards, that's the best thing, yeah. See the potential, instant, influential.